In this video, I am going to show you the recipe of eggless chocolate cake, that too without condensed milk and oven.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. And if you want all our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel The Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Let's take a look at the recipe.
So let's prep our kadhai. So you can use kadhai or pressure cooker. Just put cooking salt in it, approximately 3/4 cup. Cover it at medium flame. You need to preheat for 15 minutes. In a bowl, take 1/4 cup milk at room temperature. 1/2 teaspoon white vinegar or Sirka. You need to give this a good mix and leave it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Now to this mixture add 4 tablespoons cooking oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence or extract. Again give this a good mix. Now take a sieve and add 1/2 cup all-purpose flour or maida, 3/4 cup powdered sugar. This is a regular sugar, I've just powdered it in a mixer grinder jar. Now add 6 tablespoons cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch processed. You can use natural unsweetened cocoa powder as well, like from Cadbury or Hershey's brand. Yeah, I forgot to add. So you need to add 3/4 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and then sift everything well. Now gently mix this. So I did not add the entire milk in one go. We are going to add more. So total 1/2 cup more. So we had added 1/4 cup earlier and then 1/2 cup more, and you need to be just gentle. So when you're almost done mixing, leave the whisk and then take a spatula. Now gently fold this. Do not overmix and don't take a lot of time to do this. This is ready. This is my 7-inch square mold. I've prepped it with baking paper. You can also just grease it and dust with some maida, but I personally like to use parchment paper or baking paper. The cake comes off very easily. Now let's quickly place this mold in the preheated kadhai. You need to bake this cake at medium flame for first 10 minutes and then 35 to 40 minutes at low flame. In electric oven, you need to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and then you need to bake this cake for 35 minutes almost. You can check the cake after that. If it's not done, you can keep it for a little longer time, but do not overbake it, otherwise your cake will come out hard. So our cake is completely done. I'm going to insert a toothpick and it has come out clean. Look at how well and nicely this cake has risen. I'm going to cover it with a cotton cloth. This will make sure that the top doesn't become hard, and now I'm going to leave it to cool down. Meanwhile, let's prepare the ganache. It's a simple ganache without cream. Heat some water, keep a bowl of chocolate, 1/2 cup of chocolate and 1/2 cup milk. This milk is at room temperature. You need to gently keep mixing it until you get a smooth ganache. Now what happened in my case is I ended up making quite a lot of ganache. So whatever quantity I have shown in this quantity, you can use it. You can use this much quantity of ganache for 2 cakes. So you can reduce the quantity to half to make the ganache. So our cake is completely cooled down. I'm removing all the butter paper. You can see how nice and moist this cake has come out. So we have not used any condensed milk or anything, but this cake just tastes awesome. I'm going to remove the top layer so that the cake becomes nice and even. Look how nice and spongy this cake has become. So this is a closer look. Look at the beautiful texture of the cake, and it's very light and spongy. Now rest of the cake I'm going to divide it into 2 layers. If you want, you can also divide this cake into 3 thin layers. So I'm doing it just 2. Take the top layer off, and this is simple setup. You just need to Heat 2 tablespoons sugar and 3 tablespoons water together until the sugar dissolves in the water. You can just simply mix and use. Now pour the ganache, the prepared ganache, and spread it evenly. So I just let it cool at room temperature. I did not refrigerate it. So this is whipped cream made from half cup whipping cream. It already has sugar in it. I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of the ganache which we had prepared. Mix and this will give you chocolate flavored whipped cream. Now put some whipped cream and spread it evenly on this layer. So this layer looks nice and smooth. Let's place the next layer of the cake. So we have only 2 layers. So this is the topmost. Look how nice and moist the cake is. Pour some syrup. Again a layer of ganache. Now this is almost done. Almost done, not completely. Just refrigerate it for 5 to 10 minutes and after refrigeration it will look like this. And now we're going to pipe some white chocolate the way I'm doing. So approximately I've used 1/4 cup of white chocolate. Just put it in a piping bag. And you need to make lines like these, and then take a toothpick and make design like this, and after every stroke you need to clean the toothpick. So first keep some distance between the 2 horizontal lines, and then we're going to draw again more lines in the opposite direction like this. This looks very beautiful and it's very simple to make. And now just to make the pastries look even, I'm going to cut the sides, but if you want you can keep the sides and then divide this cake into pastries. Looks nice and even. I'm going to divide this cake into 6 pastries or 6 small cakes. After every cut you need to clean the knife. And finally pipe some chocolate whipped cream. And finally top with some cherries. And now just take a spoon or fork and dig in. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.